Yeah, so my mother make me come down here, so for no reason.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. Drippin' finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married the money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.
3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, what's up YouTube? I don't know your boy Rondagreat. Yeah, we know my shirtless on camera right now, which supposed not to happen. But anyways, YouTube, don't demonetize it. Yeah, me get a look at haircut today. Hope you like it. Me get shy in the head, bro. But no, I never get haircut today. I get the haircut like last week. So I don't know the freak me I thought about. Today, for meet up with my brother. My brother, I got come over here, which a whole heap of things me have to do. Well, not a whole heap of things, but if I forward over, after I'm forward over now, probably I'm gonna just question him like I do a little Q&A. After that, we'll go back outside, probably do a little prank, mix it in with the vlog here, and then I gotta do up some stuff about my SBA, so I go over film yard. So it kinda can add up to a little vlog, I guess. I don't know, but then August soon done, and me I say, yo, I want to post back another video, you see me? So yeah, because I don't know how September go on, so any chance I get, I just have to do it for me, you see me? So what I do, I put on my clothes and shoes and everything before I come, because I don't want to waste up too much time. So by the time, me I start about this. So also, I just put on my clothes and shit. Well, basically, I'm for say this now. It's like an ongoing vlog. I did have record before, and I say, yo, when you come back, I just start back the record again. So what I do, what I say, what I do 20, I don't know, any question, a Q&A?
Q&A answer with that. Alright.
You start first though, I don't know what to start with.
So why you do that? Prank day? Prank day for your woman.
The one day?
Yeah.
You want to say, yo, you should loyal and thing, dog. Well, not say, but I like for content, bro. Content. Yeah, me I say, yo, you know, could I do this?
How you think she feel?
You know, you feel freak up after that, like, after I done the video. You feel that way, you see me? But you know, say a prank, you see me? Alright. Where you see yourself in the next 5 years?
See myself in the next 5 years? Yeah. Well, I plan to get. I'm see myself in the next 5 years, like. Enough standing money, is it pray? Like a whole heap of cash, is it? I want to so roll out in a big car, is it pray? And she don't know who me attack already, but when I say it on camera, yeah.
Anything can harm and things, yeah. My ask, are you ask me a question now?
Ask me a question, say things like YouTube where I do, I gotta make you get through.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know it's a risky thing, but what's life without risk, brother? You have to take a look at risk.
Yeah, that's true.
Cause you never know. Most one day, yo, thing just, cause when it happen, you know.
Yeah.
It's a fiver thing that, you know, for your brother, so you can continue still make money off of you.
Yeah, no, cause I guess I seen I end people say, yo, you know, make it. And when you see you make it, now them want, you see it.
Yeah.
In a sense that.
Let me see. Why come you say why your plans after you leave school, like a year after?
Plan after I left school is like that, for at least, like, more the same, but I actually have a work already, I do, you see, but I do art, you see, pray. But guess what, look on that prayer now. I say after that, dog, start party, dog, go for hotel and them shit before the time come. You see, pray.
Yeah, cause we're young, dog, so.
Young, but I live where we go work hard then, and then later we get, oh no, we don't want to go out and we don't want this and we don't second them. No, dog, no, me I say. Just drink,
true, I enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, but alright, wait, are you fans from something?
Alright, so me ask a question now.
Yeah.
What you think at that when you done school and you done move on, you done become popular, you done become big? What you think? Well, no, what me to ask that question? I want to ask a question other than that still. Other than that, when you get boss, what you do?
I'm gonna start like make me look money off
big money. No, yeah, look big money. What you do?
Yeah, I know the first thing what I try to do is like show my mother, like give my mother a little money for sure. I say, yo.
But well, funny something, say, yeah, remember where you come from.
Yeah.
They that cause them they most people forget where they come from. And start, you see, pay, I see that happen before, you see.
Yeah, but what mother do dog is, you know, sure my mother say yo, me can benefit off fight and thing, get a little money. After that now, I try progress myself. You see me? I already tell you about that, but we not gonna talk about our plan.
Yeah, we're not talking about
Our
personal
plan.
things.
Cause yeah, the devil always the run, so me I sit down and I listen to you. Oh boy. Dog, yeah dog, so you asked me something while ago though.
Yeah, we say what they go do. I don't say this school.
I don't know why else to ask you. Oh, what are your thoughts on CXC?
I find safety, blood clot. I don't think, look on this now. I have the 5 subjects, is it pay? Well, I know see me at the school, 5 subjects, is it pay? But yes, sir. Nah, I forget then I forgot put in all. I say, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna tell everybody, the teacher too. So call no matter.
Oh. Bomba. Bad brawling. Bomba.
I'm done.
Yeah.
Go up on the principal card and peace on the card. And say goodbye to all you motherfuckers.
I me alone ever feel like say yo, you just want to stab up on a teacher them character. Yeah. We just don't want nobody catch it.
And you don't want to security car best or security the upper gate and down bottom. The man see a camera there.
Bomba. Alright, so wait.
Yeah.
Enough with video.
Yeah, alright. We out.
Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, so we just step out of the yard. No, a long time I step out. That's why this one. So basically, I go to the fucking police station. We can't believe somebody I said this for camera. But we are going
I can't believe we are going today.
yeah.
The feds, dog.
So I gotta explain.
I don't say you most of the time feel like a snitch when we go there. But I ain't no snitch, nigga.
Yeah, so I gotta make you look a statement over there, you see me? And then we head back home. Yeah. So that now. I don't know. Yeah, so. Oi! Yeah, man, so. Yeah. We're close to Jaim. But we're not gonna look for Jaim right now. We don't know if I'm in there. We're there right at the place right now. I'll go in and maybe if we can record in there. I probably can. Yeah, so my mother made me come down here, so for no reason. My brother stayed there and I chat to the man. Jaja. I wonder if him now come on. So she basically make me come down here, so, and another foolishness. Oh, if it's some sign someone motherfucker, I will come down here, everything with all the sign already, so we have to just go back over. And brother did say we waste of time now, but we still come down here, so how the why? Some of my plans them get missed today because wait there. Because this nigga have to go home and him take damn long. So at 4 o'clock and we can't record no more video because then everybody are going inside, so we can't make no public interview or nothing like that. So basically what I have to do I just go home, try get the SBA thing. I mean I look at SBA for going with it. So I have to try get that done and such and such. If you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, turn notification bell, watch the ads. I guess yeah. Until then we just wait for this nigga to finish. Oh damn fool. We in Chicago today, you see me? Portmore, Chicago. You see me? Yes, I'm just coming on at him.
No.
Are you coming on Chicago again? No. And get your pass? Yo.
No, I still can't get the foot.
We in a Chicago Portmore today. Broadcast. Wait there. I catch it 4:57 today. I try to make some money off of them people here. Yeah, it's not useful. We are turning on for. Anyways, then again, you see me, I feel like I'm going to Burger King today and just take out some random stuff and a pay back for no. Oh, that's so. Sir, you can't give me the money to buy a burger today. Yeah, so catch man now new airports there. Well, one me down for pedestrian crossing. Alright, so we don't feel like going no, but that is too far, so
Yo, don't say that in
we must say Zari. Alright, so we're in Chicago, you see me? Yeah? You know, it's a nice day for the public interview, but then again, you got me hard. You want to circle in a mall or something?
one time that
Alright, so in a Broadgate, Chicago. Say Chicago look today. Chicago look nice today, you see me?
Chicago looking ass, nigga.
I'll be a people there in Chicago today, you see me? Portmore, Chicago.
Chicago.
Yeah.
It's Portmore, Chicago in this
Portmore,
bitch,
Chicago in this bit. Yeah. So today, we're see you can run up on some apps today, you see me? I got for this. People like give man $10 today, you know. Man with that ask you. You know there. Yeah. Try get some girl and shine it today, you see me?
Hey, I want to hear this high. Who I used to be someone. So
I get bitches every day, bro.
what difference?
All of my ears, let me get bitches. Yeah. Move your bum buckler. Dog, me not know about me here again. Y'all are smelling nice damn food and can't go buy it.
Oh, yeah, walk in there, see what the fuck is going
They just have to smell it and call it.
yo. Easy, dog. Easy, brother.
It's hot, man.
What?
Man, catch two couples them over there. Huh? Oh. Yeah.
Fuck it, dog.
Boom, man. You say like I'm shining. Yeah. Bleak. We in Chicago today, you see me? Portmore, Chicago. I mean. You know how to kiss now? I'm going to catch that part, yeah, man. So, I'm going to enjoy the little fuck Roger squad and all that. Yeah. There's a good 11-minute video, this a fuckery. Q&A, such and such. Come on, make a little thing. It's fuckery. You want to make a public interview, but you come too damn late. Yeah. Brother, I chill level my contact here, dog.
Eh?
Chill level my contact here, you reach about 4 something.
No?
4 something. A 4 something you reach. Yeah. Yeah, my head look abnormal, brother.
My head abnormal.
Oh, see Brownie in there. Nah, give me a little kiss, Brownie. Steve Laugh.
Let's go. You know, song of Skin sing?
Yeah.
I say, Mrs. Sylvia lead out ya.
Be a good
rival.
man.
Shoot fast, 7 of them.
You see thing with say, dog.
Dog, man get boxed up. Don't better than a boss at the end, dog. Cause see box, dog.
Yeah, outside in Chicago, man. Yeah, man, coming in amigo. You know that the dog go call what? Just so hell.
Yo.
Bumbo.
Oh, come in there,
Forward in amigo, brother.
Party boy,
Yeah, Chicago.
When this was the B, you don't gotta force it. I just been shopping, I think I need more. These niggas my sons, but I shit got abortions. I've been finesse till I came up a fortune. I can't stop till I'm back in the portion. Married the money, we never divorced. Can't chill by yourself, you gon' call reinforcements.